Namaste. In this video we are going to tell you about meditation and why it is necessary in daily life. Meditation is an ancient practice that has been practiced for centuries. This practice is common worldwide because it has benefits for brain health and overall well-being. If stress has you anxious, tense and worried, you might try meditation. Spending even a few minutes in meditation can help restore your calm and inner peace. What is meditation? Meditation is a practice that involves focusing or clearing your mind using a combination of mental and physical techniques. During meditation, you focus on one thing. You get rid of the stream of thoughts that may be crowding your mind and causing stress. This process can lead to better physical and emotional well-being. Depending on the type of meditation you choose, you can meditate to relax, reduce anxiety and stress, and more. Some people even use meditation to help them to quit bad habits like drinking and smoking. We must, thanks to researchers, can see how meditation affects your brain. However, to understand some of these changes, it helps to know a little about brain structure. In your brain, you have billions of neurons, which are cells that use electrical and chemical signals to send signals to each other. One neuron connects to thousands of others, which is how your neurons form networks across different parts of your brain. Those networks form different areas of your brain, which have different jobs and specialties. Multiple research studies have found that people who meditate regularly have certain differences in their brain structure. Those changes usually involve brain tissue that's denser or certain areas of the brain that are larger than expected, which is a sign that the neurons there have more connections to each other and the connections are stronger. The affected areas of the brain are usually those that manage or control your senses, vision, hearing, etc., your ability to think and concentrate, and your ability to process emotions. That means the brains of people who meditate regularly are healthier and less likely to show age-related loss of function. They also have a stronger ability to deal with and process negative emotions like fear, anger and grief. The benefits of meditation. 1. Giving you a new way to look at things that cause stress. 2. Building skills to manage your stress. 3. Making you more self-aware. 4. Focusing on the present. 5. Reducing negative feelings. 6. Helping you be more creative. 7. Helping you be more patient. 8. Lowering resting heart rate. 9. Lowering resting blood pressure. 10. Helping you sleep better. How to start meditation? There's no one correct way to meditate. That's because meditation can take many different forms. Experts have analyzed meditation practices and found that some common processes happen across different meditation forms. These are: body-centered meditation. This is sometimes called self-scanning. Doing this involves focusing on the physical sensations you can feel throughout your body. 2. Emotion-centered meditation. This kind of meditation has you focus on a specific emotion. For example, focusing on how to be kind to others or on what makes you happy in your life. Mantra meditation. This kind of meditation involves repeating, either aloud or in your head, and focusing on a specific phrase or sound. 4. Meditation with movement. This type of meditation can involve focusing on breathing, holding your breath or performing specific body movements. It can also involve walking while focusing on what you observe around you. 5. Mindfulness meditation. This form of meditation is about staying aware of what's happening at the moment rather than letting your mind wander and worrying about the past or future. It can also involve a similar approach as body-centered meditation, using what you feel throughout your body as a foundation for your awareness of the world around you. 6. Visual-based meditation. This kind of meditation involves focusing on something you can see, either with your eyes or by concentrating on a mental image. With so many different types of meditation to choose from, it can feel daunting to know which one you're going to like best or will be most helpful for you. In our next videos we will teach you how to meditate step by step. Till then, please like, share and subscribe. Namaste.